teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. It is a great honor for me that I am going to deliver a speech on a beautiful topic, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and embodiment of justice. Dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam life is a perfect model and example for the people who want to attain goodness, beauty and success in their individual as well as social life. People can seek life from the message and guidance for his life to achieve perfection in the moral, spiritual and social areas of life. He has set very high and noble areas through his practical example for all mankind to follow in every field of life. Dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam practically proved not that could more just and equitable than the Rasul of Allah Almighty. Dear audience, as a young trader, he earned the good reputation of being honest, fair, and just businessman. When the Kaaba was being constructed, there arose a dispute among the people regarding the black stone. He advised the equitable plan for the setting of black stone. This plan saved them the trouble of conflict.